Booking online flight from trip.com. In today's video, you are going to learn how to book online flight tickets from trip.com. So let's get started. First, go to the trip.com website, and here you have to search for your flight by entering the details. Now here you can see you just have to enter the details. For example, I'm taking a round trip. You have two more options, that multi-city and one way. Now I will click on the search option. After entering all of the credentials, then I will be able to see the list of flights going from Oman to Hong Kong from Monday to Thursday as my selected option. Now I will select the one according to my choice, and after that I have to double click on it, and once done I will click on add another adult if I wanted to. If I don't, I just have to enter my own details. Now what you have to do is you have to enter your name, your email, your mobile phone, and if you have promo code, you just have to enter it. After entering all of the details, your flight will be booked and you can download it from here. Now, after doing the payment, the process is completed. That's how you will be able to get your online flight tickets using trip.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.